You've spent so much time and money making your house feel like a home. You dust, you clean, you even change your air filters like clockwork. But what if the biggest threat to your comfort, your health, and even your safety is something you can't even see? It's lurking inside the silent highways of your home, your ductwork. Deep inside those metal pathways, a thick toxic reality is building up. We're talking about years of accumulated pet dander, pollen, skin flakes, and moisture. This is the very air you and your family breathe every single minute, circulating through your home right here in Jacksonville, from Arlington all the way to the beaches. And it gets worse. Think about your dryer. If a load of towels takes 2 full cycles to get dry, you're not just wasting energy and money, you're living with a ticking time bomb. A lint-clogged dryer vent is one of the leading causes of house fires. It's time to stop guessing about the air quality you provide for your family. It's time to call the certified experts who were built for this job. Duval Duct is rooted right here in Jacksonville. Started over 2 decades ago by local HVAC veterans Tim Johnson and Garrett Redding. This isn't just some weekend side hustle. This is our life's work. When you call us, you're not getting a generic service. You're getting 2 decades of hard-earned expertise and hands-on experience. Our real difference is in the technology we use. We don't just show up with weak vacuums that stir up more dust than they collect. We bring the best in the business. Our process uses modern negative pressure technology, powered by triple motor, HEPA-certified vacuums. We create a perfect seal on your system, ensuring that all the toxic debris is pulled directly out of your home safely, cleanly, and without causing any damage to your ducts. We revitalize your entire system so completely, the air itself feels cleaner, fresher, and healthier. Duval Duct is your complete source for home air health. We specialize in deep air duct cleaning for allergy relief, essential dryer vent cleaning for fire prevention, and duct sanitation to neutralize lingering bacteria and odors. We also offer complete HVAC inspections and maintenance. Serving the greater Jacksonville area, our commitment to trust is reflected in our process. We provide upfront, transparent pricing. A thorough residential duct cleaning typically costs between $300 and $500, no hidden charges, no bait and switch tactics. Plus, our technicians are all fully certified and insured, giving you total peace of mind. Your home deserves air that is clean, safe, and fresh. Stop neglecting the unseen parts of your house and take the first step toward a healthier home environment today. Want to learn more? Check out our tips and insights on our blog. Just venting, right on our website. Call Duval Duct, the family-owned experts Jacksonville trusts, for your free, transparent quote. Call 904-822-8831 or visit our website www.duvalduct.com. Duval Duct. Breathe better, Jacksonville. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home healthy.